Man, what is that? Do you guys see that?
Man, that looked like one of them danged UFOs.
That's just one of those new Chamberlain garage door openers.
Well, hey, welcome to today's video.
Hey,
I'm going to be
happening?
showing you this new Chamberlain Model B4613T. You can check out the design right there. It's a little different from what we're used to. It's kind of cool, innovative. It's got that new age look. This particular model comes with that lifetime motor belt warranty.
Really?
It's a 3/4 horsepower machine. The built-in LEDs is a 1,000-watt lumen in this particular model. It's got that ultra quiet belt drive, battery backup, and this is what you're going to get in this particular box. 2 remotes, the safety sensors, a wall button, keypad, and that battery backup. It does have built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect with your smartphone, and that allows you to monitor the garage door via smartphone.
That's
So I'm going to bust this
crazy.
box open and take everything out and lay it out, so that way we can take a look at it and see what we got with this new model. So I slid everything out of the box. This is what we got. I did notice the box is a little bit wider than the norm, so this machine may be just a touch bigger than what we're used to, or from the last previous openers that we're all used to. Alright, there you got a good look at what comes in it. I just slid everything out and that's how it all is laid in there pretty much. The box is a little bit bigger, I did notice, so this machine I think is going to be a little bit wider or a little bit bigger than what we're all used to. So I'm going to lay all this stuff out and let's take a look at it. Alright, there we go. I got everything laid out. You can see, everything that comes with a classic Chamberlain install. I did find 2 things that's kind of interesting. For one, it came with a Chamberlain and a LiftMaster remote, so that must have got mixed up at the factory.
Bruh.
But nonetheless, they're the same, but that's kind of funny. And number 2, check out these safety sensors.
Right
Guys,
on.
in the comments, what are we going to call these? These are like nubbies. Nubbies? Is that a good word? I don't know. Kind of sounds lame.
What?
But yeah, check these out. Totally different style. Really short. Yeah, that's a little different. Kind of like them, right from the jump. I kind of like these. We'll see. And right here's top view of the opener. Kind of the classic layout. I still don't know if I'm a fan of this pulley style. Down in the comments, tell me, what's your opinion on this pulley style?
No!
But yeah, you can see where the piece rail ties into right there. So yeah, all that's pretty much the same. Nothing has changed on that. So as I'm putting the sensors together, I thought I'd show you guys this. It comes with one of these types of bolts, kind of like the the old style, a little bit smaller, but it fits right in. And then the wing nut is a little smaller, that goes on there, obviously. But yeah, that's the new style sensors. So this is one of my favorite parts when I put together a Chamberlain machine is I call it the belt toss. So you get your belt, get the tape off of it. You got your machine, you got your rail laid out. So I like to stand down here and I like to toss the belt to see if I can get it just right to go this way and curve around back to where I need. I've done it a couple times. See if I can't get it on film. Everybody has their own special way of holding their belt when they do a belt toss. And FYI, let's get this in the Olympics, guys. This takes a lot of skill. But I like to keep my belt all intact, and let's give it a shot. Ah, man! Well, it is what it is. Like I said, it takes skill. And it didn't quite hook around like I needed it to. Belt toss in the next Olympics. Come on, guys, let's make this happen. Okay, got it hung up there. It goes together the same, hangs the same. So if you're familiar with Chamberlain products, this thing's going to go together no problems. So once we're up here, I want to show you. So right here's our little compartment. You just flip that door open, pick that out.
Whoa!
Oh, that's so cool.
Boom. And right there's our normal, wall button safety sensor, and, where you do all the good stuff, all the setting. But yeah, this door, this little compartment, I mean, I'm easily amused. Let me wire this thing up and do the final reveal. All right, there you go. Beam me up, Scotty. Take me to your leader. Looks pretty cool. So all I got to do right now is just set the limits on it. So let's run this guy open.
Fire in the hole.
Got to go up just a little bit. Bump, bump, bump. There we go. It's right above the header. So let's lock this in. Program that down. A little bit more. Bump, bump. Let's lock that in. Now let's do the force programming. I mean, overall, it's still a belt drive and super quiet. All right, bingo. Sounds really good. I'm gonna close the door down, see what kind of lights we get. See how that 1000 lumen does in the dark. So yeah, not too bad. Pretty bright.
Oh my god.
You can kind of see, the light is super bright. And this is just like what I would say the mid-grade model. They do have one that has the light in the front as well. So how cool would that look? And, give you that much more light. But yeah, you can tell it's super duper bright with just that one row of LED lighting. Pretty impressed with that. And I like how it looks. All right, let's take a look at the safety sensors. Check this out. Look at the little shorties, little stubbies.
What?
Even the bracket is a little, a little smaller than normal. That would help in, you got some tight scenario situations.
That's what she said.
Those might work really well in those cases where the wall's real close. But yeah, that green is a different shade of green. The LED light's definitely a lot bigger, so that way it's easier to see. Still got the amber color for the other side. The LED lights are a lot bigger and easier to see. And then on the front side of the machine is where the battery backup goes. The compartment for it just slides in there, you plug it in, and close up the bay door. Alright, so overall, I really, I like this machine. I'm always up for something new, like a kid in a candy store, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, if you're used to LiftMaster Chamberlain stuff, it's the same. The only thing's different, is the sensors. I like them, being a little smaller, and I dig it. Yeah, so give one of these machines a shot, and hey, you may like it. Thanks for following me on this one. Man, it is super duper hot here in Texas. That's why I'm dripping sweat. So I'm gonna go grab some water and call it a day. Peace out.